Welcome to the course of Engineering Graphics. In this video, you will learn how to divide a given straight line into any number of equal parts. Let's begin. Here in a given problem, straight line of 90 mm is given and required to divide into 8 equal parts. First draw line AB 90 mm long. Now draw slanting ray from point A. Now with compass or scale, mark 8 equal divisions on slanting ray. Name the points as 0 days, 1 days, 2 days and so on. Now join 8 days to the point B. Now use roller scale to draw parallel line from point 7 days, 6 days, 5 days and so on. This parallel line cut the original line AB. Name the points as 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Finally, these points divide line AB into 8 equal parts. So, in the last, give the dimensions of line AB. So, by using compass and ruler scale, we can divide any line into any required number of equal parts. Thank you for watching. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more engineering learning content.